is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California, Butte and Plumas. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Plumas County in Northern California, North Central Butte County in Northern California, until 7:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:19 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located just east of Sterling City, or 8 miles north of Polga, moving west at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sterling City, Story, Lovelock, Tobin, and Tonko. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damage winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California, Butte and Plumas.
And worked hard at it.